Hi guys, here is another Wing device from a Romanian company. Smartphone Wing City SE, which may mean second edition, I don't know. So as you can see, it looks like a ZTE Nubia or a Xiaomi Redmi maybe. ZTE especially for buttons, as you can see, hardware buttons. So I've get from big discount around $16, which regular price is $120. So 5-inch IPS display with 720p resolution, powered by MediaTek MTK 6518A quad-core at 1.3 GHz, 1 GB DDR3 RAM memory, main camera is 3 megapixel with a 1080p capture of video, and 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 2000 milliampere battery, of course 3G. Dimensions, as you can see, it's thinner, 8.5 millimeter, dual SIM card with a dual standby. Here's the detailed specifications. It comes with Android 4.5.1 Lollipop, 8 GB of internal storage with micro SD up to 32 GB. Yes, 1080p at 13 FPS. This one is black color. I think there is another colors. Romania, Dance International, EMAC. So it's time to cut this one. With hand. As you can see, it looks like ZT design, especially for buttons, hardware buttons, and maybe Xiaomi, Redmi 1S. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Wow. Whoa, really cool. IPS, OTG connection. Wow, awesome. It comes with a factory protective cover. That's cool. Back. It's thinner. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, let's put for a while. See accessories. So it maybe it's a USB. Yes. Micro USB. But package smells with plastic. Earbuds with microphone, of course. 3.5mm headphone jack. Here is a charger. 1 ampere, 1000 milliampere. It looks like a Samsung charger. Yeah. Okay. And battery. 2000 milliampere battery. Quick start guide, instruction manual. Okay. Warranty card. Yes. So. Let's take this back cover to put the battery. Here is a SIM slot. Here is a micro SD slot. SIM 1, SIM 2. I think this one is micro SD and micro SIM, and this one maybe a normal SIM, big SIM. Here is a loudspeaker. Okay. 3 megapixel main camera with single LED flash, as you can see. Loudspeaker, main microphone, volume rocker, power button, at top, USB, micro USB, and 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's turn it on. Yeah, protective cover persist. So fast booting, as I said, it comes with Android Lollipop. But touch not works correctly. I don't know why. Maybe for protective color, protective film. Okay, there is a full support of languages. Let's choose English, skip. And setup is completed. So oh, it looks good. Oh, and lights on hardware buttons, LED. Cool looks. Not sensitive. Okay. Android OSP. MediaTek version. Here is the back button, home key, and options. Okay, fast. Smart Week. Oh, it's LG. Double tap to unlock. Yeah. But double tap to unlock not working. That's cool feature. Drowsy to awake camera. Oh yeah. Okay. let's begin with one by one. So, calculator, calendar, camera. Let's see the camera. Not bad. Front facing camera. Okay. Camera, not bad. So, FM radio without headphones not working. Mirror vision, you can adjust contrast, saturation, picture brightness. Let's see some modes. Vivid, user mode. It's you can adjust as you like. Dynamic contrast. Core temperature. Warm, cool. Sharpness. Sharp, more sharper, bluish. Okay, mirror vision is set of engines to enhance display picture quality. Yeah. Let's see the storage. Total space 5 GB. Available 5.64 GB. Turn on percentage. Smart wake. Draw M for music. Draw O to awake phone. You can set your preferred application to launch. Skip a next song with the volume. Draw down to pause music. Okay, let's test some of File Manager. Yeah, camera. Okay. Browser. Yeah. Without tap to unlock. Okay. Cool. So let's test the sound. Yeah, actually, speaker is louder. There are some enhancements about sound. Okay. Here is a earpiece with a proximity sensor and front-facing camera. Let's see. This is the Sony A4 Aqua. Oh, it's the same. Dimensions is the same. But Sony is thinner than Wing. As you can see, it's 95% the same dimensions. And the form factor is the same. Okay, let's compare with the Samsung S5 Neo. Samsung is 5.1 inch, but it's smaller than Wing. Okay, and finally this is the Wink tablet, 7-inch, same brand, Romania, EMAC, and I like it. Tablet. Okay, I want to confirm OTG support on this device, which sticker OTG connection. Yeah, external USB storage ready. It supports OTG. That's cool. For about $16, this phone is awesome for me. HD display and cool features like double tap to unlock. So guys, hope you enjoy my video, like and subscribe for more cool devices. So see you next video. Bye.